What's up, YouTube? What's up, family? Guys, welcome back to the channel. I trust that everyone is having a wonderful day today. Today, guys, we're going to be diving into new artists, on the channel. And the first we have here today Ziferblat, um, Bird of Prey, Ukraine. And this is official music video and on the Eurovision 2025 song contest. Yes, so I hope I had the right pronunciation with Ziferblat and Ukraine. Wow, Bird of Prey. Very interested. So I'm excited to see how that one goes. Guys, this is my first time. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. That one is very interesting, I must say. Bird of Prey. Let's see what it's all about. Ooh. Nice. Love the atmosphere.
Зайде, зайдеш і до мене, моя пташка, крилами пісня злітає важка, серденько, серце кохане, не турбуйся, доля довірила світ останній без нас. Я світло шукаю, гори зверну. And I call you fly, but I'm begging you,
Oh,
begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of prey.
hey, wow.
Вертай, вертайся додому, рідна стежка, спів перелітних пташок народить весну. Fly, but I'm begging you, just get off me, my little bird.
Nice.
Fly like a bird. Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave.
Nice.
Share my heart with someone who flies. But I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of
I have to say, wow, that was fantastic. I love the rock, in the infusion of the rock. I had no idea what I was getting into when I heard that song. Um, what other language he spoke? The first, was it Ukrainian or I don't know. Guys, you gotta let me know what language he spoke. And that was amazing. The two languages. Um, yes, the vocals, it's unique. First time I'm hearing, something like this, and I cannot even think about anybody I could compare his vocals with because this one is unique. I have to say, amazing. And I was like, looking for like something, a metaphor, for like something like spiritual survival, where instead of preying on others, the bird seeks divine guidance of protection. Now, it has like, like I would say, it it's a contrast between Predator and Peace, exploring idea of strength through faith rather than force. That was amazing. You guys did a wonderful job. Guys, we gotta give it up to Ukraine. This is my first time, and for sure, guys, this is my third, and I already like it. So we're gonna go down deeper to see what else, you know, um, Ziferblat is all about. So you definitely going to be getting some more from Ziferblat, guys, on the channel. So stick around. If you're there for the first time, I welcome you. If you're returning, welcome back. All right, so I'll see you guys back on the channel. Have yourselves a wonderful day. This is where I come to the end, and I'm going to leave the original link down in my description, so you guys can take a look at yourself and tell me your thoughts on that. All right, so I'll see you back, guys. Peace out. Till next time. I love y'all.